Welcome to my channel if you're new. If not, welcome back. My name is Kiki.
I'm sipping on juice, smoking a pack, yeah. How about a cool, stepping a loop, she checking my fashion.
I haven't posted in like 2 months or a month. Okay. I thought it was spelled like R-E-N-E.
You're like my cousin. Y'all, how the fuck y'all know how to spell your middle name?
Because, bro, like...
What?
Bro, I don't know if it's just me, but like, lunch just always smell nice to me. Touch it.
I smell that shit. I'm like, I'm home.
Oh god, I'm not even in the camera. What are we using to ash this?
Yeah.
Cut that ass use my... That too. Girl, if you don't use one of them like fucking Bath and Body Works tops, that's what I be using.
The tops?
Yeah.
Oh,
the top of it. Like
the perfume tops?
Yeah.
I lose all of mine. I bet you, I'm not even gonna lie to you, every perfume on my dresser has no top on it.
What am I looking for?
Yo, did I tell y'all the story of my friend saying support her, we don't support her business, and whole time her business is OnlyFans, so I bought her OnlyFans. $3 every month on my account. I kid you not.
Wow. I did be telling people I got an OnlyFans.
Do you?
Nah. Well, I got an account.
Me too.
Me too.
I was gonna put feet pictures on there, but then...
Oh, look at what this boy swiped up on my story and said. So I had posted, I had washed my hair, so I only had a bra on. And, so I posted out my story, right? Some unknown random ass motherfucker gonna swipe up and say, that sticker in my way. I say, you think you seeing titties for free? He said, I do. I said, you thought like Deli. And Deli thought shit was jelly. Good night. He goes, you look good though. You can't even see my face. My hair is in my face and my phone's like this.
I hate it.
Where do you see my face at?
Your hair's cute though.
Yeah.
It's full.
Finally.
Mommy.
Wait, somebody focus. That's my
Fuck your man, because you didn't come smoke with us the other night.
Bro, dude.
Duty calls go crazy.
Grey's Anatomy called.
Yeah, you know. Mommy.
It just is.
It's like...
Yeah, it tastes like if Sprite was lemonade.
Isn't Sprite already lemonade?
Right, I thought it was lemon lime soda.
They finessed me.
Damn, gang. Nah, that's not OD.
That's
and you dumb as shit, cause you was like, oh shoot, when they get that lemonade. There you go.
I'm just gonna be quiet.
Bitches be dumb as fuck.
I thought that was a vibrator. I don't know. We were just talking about OnlyFans, and for some reason I thought that was a vibrator. I'm like, what?
Nah, I'm weak.
She got a card.
I got a card.
What does it taste like?
It tastes like fucking...
Oh, it got a different top than the other one.
That just pissed me off.
What happened? Oh,
I didn't even...
fire. I can't do that, bro. Nothing. You want to try this card, Kayla?
I don't know.
Okay. I knew she was
Kayla don't
gonna
fuck with the cards.
at all. Y'all, let's play some tunes.
Facts.
What y'all want to listen to?
Was we playing? No, it wasn't y'all.
Wait.
You should play Never Have I Ever.
Oh, okay.
Sleepy and Chef G got arrested again.
Yes, I saw
Rico
that.
charges, bro.
Yes, 150 murders.
Yup.
150 murders.
Including 30 people.
They're not coming home.
I just wanted one show with all 3 of them. Just one. That's all I wanted.
Literally, look at, and Chef just got out of jail apparently
Just got out.
like 2 days ago. Hold on, it was on NYC Drill page I saw it on.
Yeah. My fucking coworker broke the news to me today. He was like, "Yo, Kayla, fucking Chef and got locked up." I'm like,
What they know about Chef out here?
This shit bunch of...
Sorry.
No, you good. I just wasn't expecting that.
I told y'all the grabber slipped.
It really did.
Girl, stupid at it.
You play Never Have I Ever? Hold on. Watch, our internet about to be out.
Because of the fucking rain. Does that happen to you?
Bro, yes. Like, I be hating that shit.
They had Chef G walking out the thing. I ain't see Sleepy, just Chef.
They had him in a wheelchair, bro.
Oh, sorry guys. Who was in a wheelchair?
Chef, he was cuffed to the wheelchair.
No, he wasn't.
Apparently. Somebody was cuffed to the wheelchair then.
Not
That's not OD,
What,
right,
guys?
boxing
Ooh.
in here.
Right.
Is it boxing?
Tegan Chambers and Sleepy Hollow, Chef G. Oh, 140 count indictment murders. Oh, and Chef is Michael Williams.
Like, I can see that.
So where they get the G from? Chef G. Okay. Okay. 5 fingers? We have played Never Have I Ever. We played Never Have I Ever.
Okay.
5 fingers?
Can we move that back? We could then move that back. I can't.
Hey, that's fire! And I'll be dying. Never have I ever talked to 2 people in a friend group. Okay, mine was low-key on accident. I promise you, Scout's honor.
Wait. Oh, 2 people in a friend group?
Yeah.
Oh.
And you talking about some Jete.
No, I thought you meant like you're in the friend
Mine was accident too. I don't know how it happened, but it happened. But it was for fake.
Right. No, mine was real, but it was an accident.
Never have I ever lied to my nigga and told him I was somewhere while I wasn't.
Y'all never told y'all nigga I'm going here and wait.
Are we talking like generally?
Yeah, like.
Let me think.
It don't have to be nice, especially I told my boyfriend I was going to school and never went to school.
That's who niggas could be lying to.
Kayla,
I mean, I be lying, but
she said I be lying. Damn.
Like, but I'm not gonna lie about where I'm at, cause what you gonna do? Tell my friends like you might get beat up, but we're outside. Cause if you do that, that means that you care. Like I like that. Yeah.
Yo, that big fat bitch still ain't finished doing what she was doing. She's in the same spot. My first, no! You what? Oh. Okay, sure. I done had sex. Like, if you skip flashing someone and just fucking, you just.
That shit's like.
That's OD. You're fast as fuck. you're fast as fuck. Live a little. Like, send a little titty pic. Like, do a little Jerry for a minute. Like, RIP my son. I was not expecting that. And I promised.
Oh, great.
Never have I ever got beat up by my nigga in public. Y'all know I'm always getting involved in the mouth. You don't hesitate to bust my lip. I'm taking him to Steve Bocos. He's an abusive boyfriend.
I don't know. Let me think.
You gotta beat up in public. Hey, look. Not like you gotta get beat up, like dragged, yoked up. Don't play with me.
yeah.
Damn, I'm kind of too.
I'm on one.
Honestly, like I used to have such a crazy mouth, bro. Like I used to
Well, that's the problem. I have a crazy mouth.
Yeah.
I feel like you have.
What?
I feel like you have got yoked up.
I have. I put my foot down.
Oh, okay.
I don't know. Like never have I fought the best friend.
Like your best friend?
Nah. Well, I mean that too. But I was saying like your nigga best friend.
Oh, he don't. I never had a boyfriend with a best friend. That's weird.
Oh, is it?
Is he lying to me?
Ava can definitely put you on. So I don't know about, but no. Her? Nah.
Y'all can really be major pain.
No disrespect, but nah. No, it's the muffler, so like to make it not so. Yeah. I just started using it. I usually use it when I'm if I try to vlog outside or do anything, cause the wind. But other than that.
Can't even go nowhere. I'm just in shock. Because of what?
It's just something that I did in public. Like, you think back to some shit you did in public.
Word. In public, let me think. Not really. Dang, this is gang. What's up, gang? Oh.
Why you gotta put the phone like that?
I'm outside.
We out of town. Start getting what I round.
Yes, sir. Get on.
You know that.
What's the lighter? Oh. Yeah.
Oh, you said something about that you regret in public. Let me think. 'Cause I was thinking about bad shit. Oh, how about?
Like never have
Oh, nah.
Falling
facts, I
down,
have.
fell in public. Does at work count?
Yes.
Oh, yo. Can I see your tray? It's mad rubber in this bitch, bro.
How are niggas treating y'all?
I get popped in the mouth every other day. No, I'm not even gonna lie. We be linking and I be like, look guys, I got my lip bust again. I done said something stupid. He done.
And how did that make you feel as a person?
What you be saying? It builds character.
Thank you.
In a different language?
Yeah, it's Korean.
Like, don't even
I'm
know.
not even gonna lie, I did try to learn Korean, but then I just like, bro.
How you say it?
How you say it? Yeah. Sedande.
That's why I be saying we
Oh, that's what you said the other day. She was like, okay, later, bye. Oh, you heard. She said Sanange. It was mad muffled because she had her fucking, she had him in her ears. I'm doing too much at one time.
I'm trying to eat, bro. You want some scissors?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, let me see about the phone.
I'm re-rolling.
Over there skinning the paper.
Gotta get every last drop. Waste no weed over here.
Right.
Yo, I hate when I'm in the crib and I knock the weed off the table or something, bro. I be tight. I be like, you did not just have to do all of that.
I'm like, serious?
Like, did you really just have to, really just have to do that? Okay.
10, 11, what time is it?
I'll drop y'all. I didn't even see your text until I woke up. He was like, you took your nap yet?
Yeah, because I was like, why did she respond, man, quick?
No, because I went to go to sleep, right? These motherfucking kids came in the house. I got up barking. Shut the fuck up. Everybody go in the room. Sit down, clean, do something. Went and knocked out. My aunt came home. She downstairs being mad animated, bro. Mad animated. She talking, she just like, oh yeah. And I'm like, shut up.
And she made name the mad people. I was so weak.
Was you really naming them?
Yes, bro. And she had she sent it either in streaks. I think she sent it in streaks and posted it. And niggas was like, she thought she ate with it. She was like, let me see what the fuck she made. This was like 7th grade.
I love shit.
I would be embarrassed.
I've done some embarrassing things.
Niggas' eyes is mad love. What happened?
I don't even know what to say. Like, that's OD,
Barbecue
bro.
sauce and ranch.
Isn't that OD? Mad oven? What the?
That was you?
Hell no.
I didn't buy that Pepsi pizza.
That shit was disgusting.
It sounded
That strawberry creams, Dr. Pepper, that shit cracks, bro. It's like crack. And I don't even like dark soda. Bro, word, he need to try. He been going on tour though, and it's like I wouldn't go see a tour as soon as